If you're ready to join the Bitcoin movement and the millions of people turning their cash to Bitcoin, what's the best way? Introducing Byte Federal. At Byte Federal, we don't just build Bitcoin ATMs, we build trust. We have the industry's highest limits, faster setups, and the best support right here in the USA. Our Bitcoin ATMs offer the highest daily limits in the industry, up to $29,500 per day. Have a question? No worries. Our US-based live customer support is always ready to help. No AI bots, no long wait times, just real people who understand your needs. And we're proud to say that both our hardware and our software are made in-house right here in America. That means better quality, faster service, and a product you can trust. Turn your spare cash into Bitcoin in a few simple steps. Download the Byte Wallet app from the Apple or Google stores, set up your wallet, and visit one of our thousands of ATM locations, then deposit your cash, and you're done. It's as simple as that.